first thing that I want to share with you about breathing is the importance of breathing with your belly. It is called belly breathing, breathing from your diaphragm. It's the reason it's called diaphragmatic breathing as well. And a lot of times when we get in stressful situations, we have a tendency to do shallow breathing, breathing through our chest, just through our nostril area. And so it's really important to be intentional and really pay attention to just how you are breathing. And we have to bring attention to it because a lot of us have just gotten into the routine or a habit of doing very shallow breathing, and we can't get good oxygen to our body, and our bodies won't be able to function like they need to with that shallow breathing. And also we need to learn how to breathe more deeply to get that calming response going on in our body, so it knows that it's safe and it knows that it is that it can be calm. So that is the importance of taking deep breaths. And in order to do that, we have to fill our breath with our belly. So you are going to make sure, and you might want to hold your hand over your belly area. You can also hold it over your chest. And your belly or your diaphragm should be moving up as you breathe in. And then as you're breathing out, your belly goes down. And you may want to practice this lying down. It's a great time to practice breathing, like right before you get up in the morning, before you go to bed. It's very relaxing. It hopefully will help you to sleep better. I know that it helps me when I do it versus when I don't. It just puts your body into a calming relaxation mode, and this is what we want. So I encourage you to look up diaphragmatic breathing if you're not already doing that, and just to be mindful and paying attention to how you are breathing. And the longer that you can practice this, and the more that we can practice this, then the better it's going to be. Just please make sure that you're paying attention to how you're feeling when you first start to do anything different with your breath or things such as that. It could cause some dizziness or lightheadedness because your body's just not used to it. So stop if you are. You might want to do shorter periods of time when you're practicing your breathing, and then over time, it will get better. We just have to take it slow. So this is diaphragmatic or breathing, belly breathing, and I hope you'll research it, check it out, because it's so important. It's an easy, inexpensive way for us to be more healthy and be more productive.